Hi, my name is Mariano Garcia. I'm a lawyer with the firm of Searcy, Denny, Scarola, Barnhart, and Shipley in West Palm Beach. And I'm here this afternoon with Bob Bertisch. Hi, Bob.
Hey, Mariano.
Bob is the executive director of the Legal Aid Society of Palm Beach County. So we are here to talk about what Legal Aid does for our community and how folks can lend their help to this very valuable organization. So Bob, let's start off by talking about you. You have a reputation in our community of long-standing service in the legal aid services community. So let's talk about how you got started with this work.
Well, Mariano, I went to law school in the early 70s, went to the University of Miami, kind of like a little bit of a hippie lawyer. I had long hair at that time, wearing bell-bottom jeans, and decided that for my legal career I wanted to do public service and to make sure that the courthouses were open to access to all people.
Great. So tell us how you got started in that career.
Well, I started after I graduated University of Miami Law School. I went to work for Legal Services of Greater Miami. Did that for about 6 years. Worked in their downtown office as well as in their South Miami office, doing a lot of family law, consumer law, housing law for people who couldn't afford attorneys. After which I was called by a buddy of mine who became the executive director of Central Pennsylvania Legal Services. And he said, Bob, I'd really like you to come down and run our Lancaster office for the program. So we picked up, moved to Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and I ran the Lancaster office for about 3 years. Then was recruited to New Haven, Connecticut to run a legal advocacy and training program for New Haven legal assistants. And then I was recruited by who is now Justice Barbara Perriente on the Florida Supreme Court. At that time, she was on the board of the Legal Aid Society. And Rich Lubin, who's a well-known criminal lawyer in town, they recruited me to come down and run the Legal Aid Society of Palm Beach County. At the time, it was a very small legal aid. We had about 10 people on staff. We had a budget of about $190,000 and pretty much did just family law. Today, as you know, having been on our board and been president of our board, our budget is over $8 million and we have over 101 staff people, 48 full-time lawyers. So we get a lot of kidding from our friends in Palm Beach County that we're one of the largest law firms now in the county.
Well, you've been very gracious with your time today, and we very much appreciate it. If folks want to get more information about the Legal Aid Society, you'll see on the screen the URL for Legal Aid's website and the telephone number. You can call if you need help from Legal Aid or if you would like to make a contribution. Thank you very much, Bob, for your time.
Thank you, Mariano.
Appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
All right. Thanks.